Let's solve the following linear inequality. So here this is referred to as a linear inequality because we have only one variable, which is x, and its power is 1. Now let us begin. So we have x plus 5. So this is greater than 4x minus 10. So let's transpose the 5 to the right hand side. All we have to do is subtract 5 from both sides. So this 5 and 5 goes away. So we have x greater than 4x minus 15. In the next step, we will transpose 4x from the right hand side to the left hand side. So that means we will need to subtract 4x from both sides. So for negative 4x plus x, so that will be negative 3x. The greater than, we have 4x and 4x cancelled on the right hand side. This leaves us with negative 15. In the next step, what we want to do is we want to isolate x on the left hand side. That means we want to get rid of the coefficient, which is negative 3. From the left hand side. All we have to do is divide both sides with negative 3. But we have to be very careful here. Whenever we're dividing by a negative number, the sign of the inequality flips. And that means here we have x. Earlier it was greater than, but since we have divided with a negative number, so this will become less than negative 15 over negative 3. So that will be 5. So this is going to be the solution to our linear inequality, and there are two more ways of representing the solution. So what we'll do, we'll consider a number line with the value 0 and 5, with the extreme ends representing negative infinity on the left hand side and positive infinity on the extreme right. So our solution will be all values of x which is less than 5. So that means we have all values of x less than 5, but 5 is excluded here. So we'll put a bubble or a hole here, which means that 5 is not included. And the third way will be to represent our solution in the interval form, which is also referred to as the solution set. So here we have x less than 5. That means we have our values going from negative infinity to positive 5, and both will be in the open interval form because negative infinity is unbounded and 5 is excluded. So these are the three ways of representing the solution of a given linear inequality.